How is that possible?
I don't know. Impossible. Don't do it.
Over my head. Why is that?
I don't know.
Let's try again.
Let's do this. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
Today you already know this experiment.
No. Yeah. Yeah.
Yes. What will happen if I turn the cup upside down? Why is that?
What?
The atmospheric pressure pushes against the weight
Oh my
of the
God.
water. Yeah! Now we know the trick. I have another trick.
What's that?
No, because we have this wire mesh. You see? This makes a surface
I see
tension.
you make that.
Yes,
I
you
see you
see?
make that.
Let's try one more time. Okay, the surface tension, water particles, they hold each other, they don't separate. Okay, the wire mesh helps with the surface tension so that the water particles help each other and they won't fall.
Can we do it without the string?
No, without the string, without the wire mesh, it will not work.
Do it over your head.
What's gonna stay here?
No,
Stay
no, no,
here.
no, no,
Eh? I try again.
no, no.
Okay.
Yes, yes.
See, this is not magic. This is science. So the water tension on the surface, you see, Anna Maria,
Yeah.
the water particles they hold each other, and the water will not fall down. The atmospheric pressure pushes up, the weight of the water falls down. Now if I tilt my hand, look what will happen if I tilt my hand
Don't
like
tilt
this.
it, don't tilt it, please. I don't want to. No, Dad!
How good is this?
Very good!
Subscribe to our channel.
Yeah, that's the
Bye.
video!